How to buy Bitcoin on Revolut app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Bitcoin with the Revolut app. Step 1 is to open the Revolut app on your device. Now, if you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Once you open the Revolut app on your device, make sure to log into your account. For that, go ahead and tap on the login option, enter all of your credentials. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be able to access all the features that the app provides after your registration is set up. Now, to buy crypto on the platform, you will need to add fiat currency to your account first. From the home screen, click on the Add Money option and choose the type of bank transfer to add money. Follow the on-screen instructions. Next thing you want to do is when you add fiat currency to the Revolut app, the total amount will show on the home screen under your accounts. Now you will be able to buy crypto. Click on crypto from the menu. From this page, you can access your total portfolio value, transaction history, and investments. Next, click on trade and choose Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, tap on the plus buy icon. Then you will be prompted to add in how much Bitcoin to buy from the total amount of fiat in your account. Now follow the on-screen process to complete the Bitcoin purchase, and this is how you can buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.